your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, welcome to my channel. And if you're old to my channel, what's good, what's poppin', hi love, you already know who I am and you already know who I is. It's your girl. And so yeah, today I'm giving you this cut crease and we're gonna get into this video. Let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, I've already did one eye for you. So we're gonna go with the Juvia's Place palette, Saharan Palette. I love this palette so much, and I'll be going in with Jamila first, just for a transition right before I do my cut crease. Really like this orange shade. It's a really nice, really creamy, and you see I primed my eyes before I started doing my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking Katsina as a highlight underneath my brow bone, just to give it that ombre effect. And I'm just waving that on there and then blending those two together. After I'm taking Chad, and oh my gosh, when I tell you it's pigmented, that bad boy pigmented. And I'm just taking that black and just dabbing it on there, making it a good cut crease transition. And once I cut across this and make it cutthroat, it'll be cute, period, sis. But I'm making sure that I'm blending out first, because you don't want harsh lines. I want it to be like an ombre type thing. And I'm using my Revolution concealer in the shade C3, and I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just cut creasing. So I started at the beginning of my tear duct and then go all the way down. And I kind of stopped mid of that black eyeshadow because I didn't want to cut crease the whole thing. And the key is to make sure that your eyeshadow is like seen in your cut crease. I know like you're supposed to go above your actual crease of your eye. My eyelids are big, but my actual eye is kind of little. And then I'm going back in with that Juvia's Place Saharan Palette again in the shade Bororo. It's a really pink metallic shade. I actually love this shade, and if I mispronounce some of these words, please do not charge it to my heart, charge it to my head. I really don't mean to do that. Next in the tear ducts will be Odabi. I love this gold. When I tell you I love this gold, I love this gold. It's my favorite. And I'm just taking both sides of the brush and blending it. I use one side for one eyeshadow and the other side for another eyeshadow. And I'm just blending it up so it can give it an even ombre. Then after, I'm taking Chad and blending it towards the inner of my lid. After, I'll be taking the NYX Glitter Gold's liquid glitter pen in the Zodiac Queen. When I tell you this pen cut like a cut crease through the eyeshadow, it's pure cutthroat. I just took it along the lines of the cut crease just to make it more defined, and then I kind of like spread it a little bit to make that gold really stand out. After, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Precise in black as my cat eye, and I wanted my cat eye to kind of blend in with the black in my eyeshadow. After, I'll be taking the Zodiac Queen again, glitter pen NYX, and going over my cat eye. Alright, now I'm taking my Goddess Eyelashes by Tarte, the Tartiest Pro collection. They're cruelty free. I love these eyelashes. I'll be using the Kiss lash glue if you want to know what kind of lash glue I'm using. After that, I'm taking my Pixi eyeliner, and I really like this eyeliner, really smooth. Next, I'll be taking the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Primer, just to prep my face because, you know, your girl got to keep that face hydrated and prime for that makeup. This makeup, believe it or not, is very harsh on your face. And if you don't know, now you know. Fenty Beauty. Taking my Fenty Beauty foundation, liquid foundation in 440. Get you some. Rihanna did this. She really did. And I'm really just using like circular motions all over my face to put in my foundation. And when I say y'all, my hair was getting in the way, and whatever I was singing, it was good, because I mean, I started dancing and everything. If you don't know, I be dancing in my tutorials. You don't know me, sis. You don't know me. Next, I'll be taking the Revolution Concealer again in C13, and I'm just cleaning up all that eyeshadow that I put on my eyes and concealing my under eyes, because I noticed they were a little puffy this time. And I'm using a triangle shape for my concealer. And I'll be also highlighting my mouth and my nose. I didn't do my forehead because I just feel like the forehead didn't need it today. And then I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out, smooth that all out, and make sure my face is properly highlighted. I think the toughest thing is to like get between like the creases in your eye. So I'll be like literally stabbing my eye. It's so horrible. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder and hazelnut. You guys like my video if you like that I'm using Fenty now, because I've transitioned from MAC to Fenty, and I'm telling you, it's amazing, sis. If you want to know the technique I'm using, I'm blowing the setting powder off my blender because I don't want excess setting powder on my blender. Also, guys, I'm a little sick like doing this tutorial on this voiceover, so please forgive me. But ooh, look at that, it's cutthroat. Thank you, Rihanna. Thank you, girl. But it's because this was pure cutthroat, pure slayage. I needed this in my life. And if you notice, I contoured a little bit. I'm coming up in the world. And to use another contour, I'm using my bronzer, Coco Naughty by Fenty again. If you know me, I like to add a little powder on those highlight parts. Next is the MAC Cosmetics blush in Lovejoy. I really like this blush because it's not overpowering. And then after to highlight my cheekbones, I'm using Bonnie Dew Manizer highlight, and it's a liquid highlight and it's very harsh, so I use my beauty blender to blend it out. And that's how you put on liquid highlight, sis. That's how you do that. If you notice, I'm using my finger to to apply it and then blending out, that's really how you get the best of your highlight. Because I really wanted my highlight to just pop. And now I'm using MAC Cosmetics again, a lip liner. Y'all know my favorite liner is Chestnut. You already know. And we're just gonna line my lips because, you know, I'm going for this nude and it's gonna be popping, so. And after that, I'll be using Velvet Teddy. I really like this lipstick, and I'm gonna go cop some more. It's my favorite. It's really my favorite. For a nude, it really is. Not gonna lie to you. And to add a little bit more highlight, I'm using my Juvia's Place Nubia. I've used this in my previous videos. I swear by it. It's popping, sis. It is popping. And I'm extra. I put it over in my brow bone and on my nose. And a little bit on my lips. And y'all know how extra I am. So I want to brighten up somebody's day. I want to shine. Lastly, I'll be spraying my setting spray by MAC Cosmetics Goldlite. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Also, if you liked this tutorial, don't forget to add me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. You know you want to. That's where you get your daily dosage of me and you get to know when I post a video, of course. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again in my next video. Love you lots. Okay.